Hello children, today we are going to start a new chapter number 9, that is our industries. So now I want to ask that can we use cotton directly from the field? Can we get coffee directly from coffee plant? The answer is no. So things like cotton balls, wheat grains, coffee beans cannot be used directly as they are. Some things like milk can be used directly, but they can also be made into other useful products like curd and cheese. So materials that can be changed into more useful products are called raw materials. These raw materials come from various sources like agricultural fields, mines, forests, animal farms. Now what are finished goods? Raw materials are processed into a number of products called finished goods which can then be used by us. So children, what is the meaning of processed? When a given material is changed to make something we can use, that is called processed. So for example, cotton is used to make cloth, milk is used to make butter, wood is used to make furniture, and so on. We make these finished goods in an industry. So finished goods are costlier than raw materials because of the time, effort and money put into turning the raw materials into finished goods. Now children, what are industries? The production of goods from raw materials is known as industry. Without industries, we would not have many things that we need. So children, after learning that what are industries, we will now learn about type of industries. Industries can be sorted into 3 groups on the basis of their size, number of people working and amount of money needed to run them. They are cottage industries, small scale industries and large scale industries. So children, firstly we will learn about cottage industries. What are cottage industries? These industries are usually set up at home. Very little money is used to make the goods. Use simple tools and raw materials nearby. For example, making dolls, baskets, making bangles, etc. As you can see in the pictures, so many cottage industry things are made here. So coming on next, small scale industries. These industries need more people than a cottage industry. Small machines are used instead of simple tools. For example, making plastic boxes, furniture, soaps, etc. As you can see in these pictures. Now, last is large scale industries. These industries need a large number of people and use big machines to make things in large numbers. They are mainly based near big cities so they can easily get raw material and electricity. For example, iron and steel plant, shipbuilding, automobiles, etc. As you can see here in this picture, the car industry is set up here. So children, here are some factors affecting location of industries. They are raw material, power, land, transport, communication, labor, capital, market and water. So children, here is an activity for you. You have to name the industries where in Punjab they are situated. Like I'll give an example to you. Woolen textile industry is situated in Amritsar and Ludhiana. Likewise, you have to find out the industries and you have to mark on the map of Punjab. Thank you.